Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Good morning. Yesterday we just got back from our 10th trip to Calverton shooting range. We brought our daughters with us this time to teach them how to shoot for the very first time. As a result, I had to clean my guns today. Oh my god, back-breaking work, man. I hate cleaning my guns, but I got this package on the same day. I wish I would have gotten this before I went shooting, but anyway. This is a box that I got from a company called Pridefend. They sent me an Ambidextrous adjustable shooting rest, which I've never had before. Closest thing I had to something like that was a gun cleaning stand, you know. But let's check this out. Pridefend is a company based in China, and they want to market their firearms-related accessories and products here in the U.S. So they get American YouTubers like myself and do a quick gun shit review. You know what I'm saying? Here are the instructions. I usually don't read instructions, so I'm not going to start now. I figure I'm smart enough to figure it out myself. If I get stuck, I'll look at it. I mean, it's a gun stand, you know? It's a shooting rest. How hard could it be? Oh. Well, when they have it all apart like that, maybe you do need the instructions. This is for the front base, I would assume. Rear base. Wow. This feels heavy, like steel, but it's plastic, I believe. Or like they say in Wisconsin, plastic. Yeah, this is steel. How about it? Cool. Pretty sturdy looking. It's the main base, I believe. And everything else is insulation with a small bag of hardware. Let's put myself on time-lapse, and I'll try to figure out how to put this together without the instructions. Two seconds, man. Easy. Didn't look at the instructions. I promise I didn't. Very straightforward. You shove that in there. I will tell you this. You could use a little Earl right there. It's a little stiff to try to raise the height, but it's okay. But it's, you know, tubular plastic. You know what I mean? ABS plastic. But it could use a little Earl right around the threads here to make it easier to go up and down. Maybe you don't want it to go up and down easy. You know what I mean? Because of the recoil, the trauma from a gunshot. Maybe you don't want it to move. No, I would think a little bit would be okay, you know, but whatever. So you can raise the front and back this way, tighten it with this nut over here. The adjustable tubular stuff goes in here. You flip it upside down. You put two nuts there that have, it holds the nut together. So all you have to do is just tighten it, you know what I mean? When you shove it into this part over here, you got two little wing nuts that tighten that too. Very straightforward, you know? So you could loosen this thing here in the center, and you could make it shorter. I was trying it out with my AR-9 here, and I would assume, of course you should never assume, but even at the most compact setting, this works just fine, because as long as you have the buttstock on the back part here, right, and then your handguard is on the front part, you can adjust the height accordingly with this thing. This is very cool. I like it. This would be fantastic to go to the range, especially for like long range shooting. If you're shooting like 100 to 200 or higher yardage, this would be a great stand to be able to do that. Of course, at 25, 50 yards, you really just want to just hold it and, try to do some short range shooting, But if you've got a precision rifle, this would be great for long range shooting. It's a great stand. Obviously, with precision rifles, there sometimes could be a little bit longer than your standard AR. And like I said, you can stretch it up to this length here, which also holds it just fine also, So that feels fantastic. I wish I had this yesterday, because this would be great for teaching my kids how to shoot precision stuff, This is great. I love it. I think it's fantastic. I didn't think I would ever use it, but it looks like I would. So this is great. Next time I go shooting with my buddy Nameless, he's a precision rifle guy. He just built his own Q308, and we were shooting like 200 yards. I was trying to shoot 200 yards with my Plinker, my 22 long rifle. Not even hitting the target. You have no idea. If the wind's blowing, forget about it. There's no way you'll figure it out. But with a precision 308, this would be great for it. So we'll try this on my next range video, but I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in this. Pridefend. It's not very expensive, and it's pretty cool. On the very bottom here, you have these rubber mats over here, right? So that keeps it steady, and it's on all important areas of contact to the table. You know what I mean? So it won't. There's no slip. So this would decrease your recoil, obviously, because it's on a stand, and adjustable elevation, if you will, with the buttstock. So very cool. I like it a lot, and thank you very much for sending it to me. See you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
Mr. Tecumseh here, and we'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers! As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire right out! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as, if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.